In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync multiple Google Calendars with Calendly and YouCanBookme booking software. 5 minutes. We'll start in Calendly. Sign in, then head to Availability. This is where Calendly learns when you're free. Open Calendar settings and choose to connect Google Calendar to your account. A Google window will pop up asking you to confirm your identity and the permissions Calendly needs. Approve those prompts. Calendly requests access so it can read busy times and create events on your behalf, which is essential for avoiding double booking. Once the connection is complete, stay in your calendar settings. Here, select every Google Calendar you want Calendly to check for conflicts. Include your main work calendar as well as any personal or shared calendars that reflect real commitments. Then pick the single calendar you want Calendly to use for new meetings. That destination is where confirmed bookings will be created. Take a moment to confirm your time zone and save your changes. A quick tip: if a calendar isn't showing, refresh the page or make sure that calendar is shared with your Google account and marked as visible. Now switch over to YouCanBookme, log in, open your profile, and go to My Account. Choose Integrations and connect Google. You'll see the familiar Google prompts. Sign in and grant the permissions to view and edit events. This allows YouCanBookme to read your availability and place bookings directly on your calendar. Back in Integrations, choose which calendars YouCanBookme should scan for existing appointments. Select all calendars that could block your time, just like you did in Calendly. Then choose the specific calendar where you want new booking events to be added. Keeping one destination calendar for new bookings makes it easier to track and color code your schedule. Be sure to save. A couple of housekeeping tips will help everything run smoothly. If availability looks off, double-check that your calendars are set to show busy events and that your working hours match in both tools. Avoid connecting the same calendar twice from different Google accounts. And if you ever change your Google password or remove permissions, revisit integrations and reauthorize the connection. That's it. You've connected Google Calendar in both Calendly and YouCanBookme, set which calendars to check for conflicts, and chosen the right destination for new events. Your bookings will now honor all your commitments across calendars without double booking.